This is new generation for the iPhone screen protector. Magic protector. Simple and easy for installation. No technical need. No tools requirement. No glue on the screen. No glue on the protector. More color choice and more function will be coming. This is a magic protector. It's new generation for iPhone screen protector. Simple and easy for installation. Just in few seconds. Whoa, there's a blue color screen protector. Very cool. Very functional. OEM and ODM is welcome. It's very cool color. Very functional. More color choice. You can change it, replace it anywhere, anytime by yourself. Just in few seconds. This is a Magic Protector. It's new generation on 2014 Magic Protector.